Cue the dancing wickets.
Cut! Stop the music! I loathe the set. I detest the music. The flowers are all wrong. And if you say those lead-footed dancers are supposed to be me, I'll scream!
But Wickypoo, the rally starts in 1 hour. It's too late to make changes.
If you truly adore me, you should be happy to make the changes. Happy, happy, happy!
I'll be happy when my urns get here. That's when I'll be happy. Really, really happy.
If we tell the boss someone took all the ergs, he's going to be really, really unhappy.
Pussy, look!
Huh?
An erg!
But there's only one down there.
That's one more than we've got now!
Okay, you get it.
No way! You get it!
No, you.
You!
No, you.
The good news is, all the Pompadourians will be at the rally really soon. The perfect place to show the symbol and break the spell. The bad news is, the symbol's way too small for all of them to see at the same time.
They need to make the symbol bigger. But how do they do that and make sure the symbol still looks right?
Good question. Matt, I've got it! All they have to do is make the same pattern on a much bigger grid.
Bigger grid, bigger squares, bigger symbol. Jax, here's what you do.
Got it. Okay, you make the same grid, but huge. Color each square exactly the same way, and we'll get the same symbol, only big enough so everyone can see it.
Bingo. Uh-oh. There's not enough paint left to make a giganto symbol.
We're back! At least we saved some of the ergs.
And we've found a way to break the spell. We need to make a great big one of these.
We don't have enough paint to fill in all the squares.
Use us! We're the right colors.
Yeah, but we need something huge, and there's only 5 of you.
That's what you think. You make the squares, we'll fill them in.
Tonight, we celebrate a witch whose intellect, beauty, and wit are so unique. I can't even find the words to describe them. So, without further ado, it's the moment you've all been waiting for. You know her, you adore her. Give it up for your queen and mine, Wicked!
The rally's almost over. Hurry.
Okay, I need green at A10.
Keisha, go!
Mikey, you're supposed to be on B7.
Oh, and I love you too. In the way that people who are adored adore the people who adore them.